sun-kissed all over my body. They say I be sinning, but I want it. A little piece of heaven, yeah, it's worth it. If I'm with you, I'm okay. I don't care what they got to say. Ooh, quiero sentirte close. Ooh, quiero de tu calor. Ooh, a 1000 kilómetros. En un bar lejano, allí nos podemos ver. Suavecito, suavecito, papacito, ay que rico. Suavecito, suavecito, papacito, ay que rico. I think of those nights on the beach. Still feel your lips on my body. I think I've been kissed by the sea. I'm here whenever you want me. They say I be sinning, but I want it. A little piece of heaven, yeah, it's worth it. Kissing my stresses away. Make me feel some type of way. Ooh, quiero sentirte close. Ooh, quiero de tu calor. Ooh.
Hey y'all, it's Atashaajohnnica here with a stationery planner haul. And I'm going to be sharing with you all my stationery collection and also giving you all some pointers and how you can improvise and DIY your planners. I'm going to do a series on planners. So I'm going to cover certain topics, like this one is going to be the planner haul. And so get excited, y'all, because this is going to be an exciting, amazing video. Okay, so let's start out with the planners, the happy planners. I love happy planners. They are so creative and you can pop the pages out. I just love them. This is a Disney Teach Happy Minnie Mouse planner, and I absolutely love it. And it has a big teacher layout, okay? And I don't go based on the months or the calendar because I can reuse an old planner and redate it, okay? So let's get into this planner and let's look at some of the dividers. You can make your own dividers in addition to the dividers that come with the planner. So let's just go through this beautiful planner and you will see the dividers. I'm going to do a flip through of the dividers. I plan to do another video on how to create your own DIY dividers. This says Planning for Bright Futures, and it has Minnie Mouse on here. She's cute. Okay, and it has polka dot confetti on here. I absolutely love this planner. It has rainbow disc in all different colors, and I absolutely love it. And so it has the calendar and everything in here, and areas where you can jot down your appointments and notes in here, okay? And this is another divider that says today is a great day, okay? I absolutely love that divider. Teaching is a work of art. This is a teacher planner, so it has a teaching dividers in here, okay? And then it says dream big, smile often. Okay, that's another divider. And this flip through. And this has a stack of books, staplers, and highlighters. Okay. How do you all like my flowers? I made this. I'm gonna move this out of the way. I absolutely love flowers. And purple is one of my favorite colors. Here's Teach, Love, Inspire. Okay. And next is Sunshine is Vibe. And it has like a rainbow And it has Minnie Mouse standing on a stack of books. Absolutely gorgeous. And this is a checklist. It has different Minnie Mouses on here and confetti circles on here in different rainbow colors. And it has a checklist here, which is nice. This reminds me of, I used to help my mom, she was a teacher, grade papers, and it looked like this, the grading scale. But you can use this for your notes, your checklists, and so forth. You can improvise, okay? And it says, plan a happy life. This is a rainbow laminated cover. I absolutely love it. And so that's the Teach Happy planner. I'm gonna move on to the scrapbook paper. I love scrapbook paper, you all. And they have different designs. I happen to get this scrapbook paper from JOANN'S before they closed, you all. I mean, they had a huge box of scrapbook paper and I had to go through and filter through to the ones I like. This is beautiful. It reminded me of Jamaica. These beautiful flowers. And I'm gonna make dividers out of them in planner covers. So I'm gonna show you all in a video how to make those. Hit that subscribe button if you're enjoying this video, and so I can make great content, more amazing content for you all. These are some rainbow sunglasses. Okay. And this is a summer scrapbook paper. And we're also going to be making cash envelopes, you all. So this channel is going to be jam-packed with great content. Okay, we're going to get to those as well. But this is now my stationery haul, and we're just having a discussion on the Frankenplanning, how you can improvise and pop out the pages and make your own dividers. Okay, that's what Frankenplanning is all about. You can take pages from one planner. For example, say I'm working on this planner, and you can consolidate with another planner and pop out the dividers. So we're gonna go through that in another video, but I just wanted to touch on that subject because Frankenplanning, I absolutely love it, and it's so fun. So let's go through that in another video in detail. How to Frankenplan. That's just the introduction right there. This is cactus. Beautiful. Reminds me of warm climates like California. Okay. Here is some popsicles. Okay. And here are some stickers. That's summer stickers that can be used in your planner or on cash envelopes. I use stickers so often. You can mail out things and your cards, your birthday cards, and put stickers on there and decorate. You can decorate your planner with stickers. This has a flamingo on it, pineapple, watermelon, umbrella, summer umbrella, ice cream truck, and popsicles and ice cream swimsuits and everything, grills, everything for summer. This is great. We're going to be using some stickers also for the Frankenplanning. This is the best thing about summer. And here we go. And here. Okay. And I'm just going to flip through some of this, the scrapbook paper. I love pineapple designs. Here's some pineapples. Okay. And here's some parrots. Okay. And when you're planning, you have to have a good writing pen. I got this butterfly pen. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Okay. Be sure you're watching my other videos also. Thumbs up if you're enjoying this video so far. I have a lot of what's in my bag videos that are very interesting. You want to watch those, and I have some more exciting surprises coming up on my channel. Okay, here is the rainbow butterflies. Absolutely gorgeous. And I had a scrapbook pad. I love Shamel is the name, her name, Reasons to Smile. And these are papers. And I'm gonna do a detailed flip through when we get to decorating. But she makes great scrapbook paper. Look at the hearts. Okay. And also, all sorts of unique designs she makes. Goals, trying my best, life is good, whipping up some magic, ice cream will fix it, cake first, grow from it. Absolutely gorgeous. I absolutely love it. And here's some flowers. Okay. Okay. And some rainbow designs. Okay, we're going to do a detailed flip through when we get to the Frankenplanning and detail and cash envelopes. Okay. These are some stickers. Happy Planner stickers. This is the summer bucket list. There's road trip. Okay. There's road trip. There's road trip. There's hanging out with friends. All colorful. Okay. And they're designed for Happy Planner. Okay. These are some pineapple stickers that are great for summer. And here are some gorgeous floral scrapbook designs. I love scrapbook paper and it smells so wonderful. It smells like ink and paper. So I absolutely love, love, love it. I love it. Okay. And we have the confetti. Okay. And for scrapbooking, you want to have, I have a paper cutter. I'm going to show you all my paper cutter. Or you can use some pretty scissors. These are pink. Okay. I'm going to show you all my paper cutter. Here is my paper cutter. I absolutely love it. This is for if you really want to cut some straight edges. I use my paper cutter and I absolutely love it. Okay. And this is great for making cash envelopes, dividers, and planner things like that. Okay. Subscribe to my channel, y'all. Subscribe to my channel, y'all. Be sure to subscribe. That's the Enjoy Family for you all. And I will see you all in the next video.